Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vipin Gupta, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Commission Gorilla account. Okay, so to do that, first what we need to do is you can type on the Google create account Commission Gorilla. Okay, once you do that, you see this uh, tab here. You just have to click on the tab. So guys, I cannot take you through all the process because I already have a Commission Gorilla account and I don't want to pay it again. So I'll just show you the steps required. So once you click on that, you come to this tab, and what you need to do is you need to click on this one. So first of all, let me tell you, if you want to buy a Commission Gorilla account, you might have to make the payment twice if you would like to go for a pro account. So once you have to make the payment to get a basic Commission Gorilla account, and then again you will have to pay additional amount to set it to a pro account. Okay, so first payment is $49 here as it shows me. So what you need to do is insert your contact email, and whatever you need to do here, put your credit card credentials here. If you have a coupon code, you can apply here. Okay, and then you can put your card details here, billing address, city, location, province, all this information you can just insert here and say pay. Once you make the payment, you will receive an email. Okay, so now let's go to the second step. So once your payment is done, after the payment is completed, it will show you at the bottom again to upgrade your account to a pro account. Okay, so either you can do that, or if you do not get that option, you can just go directly to, let me show you, type on Google Commission Gorilla Pro, and then you can just click on this one. So it will show you a window like this. Okay, I really like this one. So you will get a tab like this. I am a pro, I need a pro account. You can just click on this. Okay, once you do a click on this, it will take you to second page, which is this one. And here you need to insert your email ID and select the checkbox, the icons necessary, and then check out with your credit card. So once you say check out with your credit card, you will have your pro account enabled, and it will cost you $67 here as mentioned. Okay, so once done, the next thing that you need to do is now you are going to receive two emails. So first email you received when you had your the basic account purchase. Okay, and the second one for the pro. So I'll just quickly show you that one. So look at these. I have these two emails. So this one is the basic one, and the other one is the for the pro. Now what you need to do is you need to in the basic one you have a link. Okay, and you have the email that you used, and they assign you a default password. So I'm showing it to you. Don't worry, it's not going to work anymore. So guys, what you need to do now is using this email ID and the credentials. Okay, they are mentioned. Sorry, on this one. Okay, and along with this link, you need to log in. So I'll just use this, and here I have already, it's already open here for me. You can see customer.jvzoo.com. You need to mention that email ID, and I have already done this process. So what you need to do is you need to put that password that you received in the email, login, and the moment you log in, it is going to pop up another screen where you will be asked to reset your password. You can reset your password. Okay, once you reset your password, you will be able to see this dashboard. Okay, once you see this dashboard, you need to look for my purchases. Okay, so once you click on my purchase, you will come here. Okay, and you will see both your purchase. The first purchase is Commission Gorilla V2, which is a basic setup of your account, and Commission Gorilla V2 Pro upgrade. This is your pro account. Okay, so now step number one after this. So click on view details. Okay, go below, there is something called as access your purchase here, right? So right click on this and open it. So it will take you to this page and say click here. Yeah, so I already have an account, that's why it's showing me like this. Otherwise, if you do not have an account, it will ask you for creating your own username, password, and retype your password, and probably also your email ID. So you just have to insert all of those informations and just says sign up. So you can sign up into your account, and once you sign up into your account, you will see such a dashboard. Okay, this is how your dashboard looks like for the Commission Gorilla. I will share this link of the membership area if you want. I'll share it in the description section. Now next what you need to do is you need to upgrade your account to a pro account. Okay, so what you need to do is click on view details. Once you click on view details, you again need to click on this tab called as access your purchase. Okay, once you do that, you are going to see a screen like this page. So at this page you see that there is a highlighted area where you see a blue bar. I have actually hidden my code. So what you need to do is you will have similar page. You need to just copy your code, and once you have your code, you can go back to your Commission Gorilla account where you have to click on my account. Once you click on my account, on this bar where it says upgrade code, you just have to paste your code and click on activate. So once you do that, your account will be activated, and probably it might take 24 hours for you to see that your account is activated. So it took me as well. So now I see here as a pro account. That's it, guys. That's it. All it needs to be done for setting up your Commission Gorilla account. So guys, thank you for watching my review video, and as always, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and leave your comments in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, or if you have not subscribed yet, then please hit the subscribe button for receiving such interesting product review videos and supporting my channel. Thank you. See you again.